Hello, I'm Corey Mayle with the Corey Mayle Agency. We're an Allstate agency, and today I want to talk with you briefly about one of the most important yet probably overlooked coverages on your homeowner's policy, and that is additional living expense, or ALE. And it's called additional living expense, or sometimes known as loss of use. Different companies use different terms for this particular coverage. Imagine you're driving home tonight, and as you approach your neighborhood, you notice a cloud of smoke. It's not until you turn down your street that you realize it's your home that the smoke is coming from. For most of my clients, or most people, the most immediate concern is whether your loved ones are safe and away from harm. Once you account for your loved ones, most people begin wondering, what about my personal belongings? And can anything be salvaged? And how long is it going to take for the insurance company to repair my home? One of the most things, though, that people overlook is your most immediate need, which is, where am I going to go today? And that is where additional living expense coverage kicks in, or begins, if you will. So additional living expense coverage is going to cover your most immediate shelter needs, and continues to provide a roof for your family while your home is being rebuilt. In other words, while you're getting back to where you belong, right, as an insured. So one thing that a lot of homeowners do not realize is the fact that just because your home is damaged does not mean that your mortgage payment is going to be canceled out. So having your insurance company pay for your rent, or to rent you a home while your home is being repaired, is basically easing what could otherwise be a huge financial burden to you and your family. So additional living expense coverage does not only just cover temporary housing needs, but there's some additional coverages as well that comes along with ALE, which includes restaurant expenses if you don't have access to a kitchen, or it could include the increased drive time or distance to get to work now, or to get your children to school, or their extracurricular activities. It could also even take care of the cost of boarding your pet. Boarding costs for your pet. So additional living expense does come with some limitations. The two main limitations I would consider looking at is, what's the dollar value of your additional living expense, and then also how long does that coverage last after a covered loss, if you will. For instance, our policy, it goes for 24 months. So what I highly recommend is that you get your policy out, review your policy yourself, or contact your local agent for a policy review.